My hands are praying just like this. God is great and God is good. Turn us thank Him for our food. Amen. Thank you, Lord, for our food. Okay, children, happy eating. You may now get your job. How about the others?
I want to see what happens when I get red. I'm going to go a little faster.
Yes.
This one has nuts. Crying.
You have snacks already? Okay. Sige, while waiting for everybody to prepare their...
Okay, everybody, let's do the left and right song. Your left side is over here, and your right side is over here. Now get those hands up. Okay, great. When I say left, raise your left hand high. When I say right, raise your right hand high. Everybody ready? Okay, here we go. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, salamander! Oh, good job! Let's try it again, but we changed the order. Please listen. Left, left, right, right, left, 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 right, right, salamander! Oh, that salamander is a good dancer. Okay, let's do it again. It's going to be a little faster. Left, left, right, left, 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 right, left, 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 right, left, 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 right, left. Salamander! Oh wow, everybody, you're so great!
We interrupt this video to bring you a special report.
Salamander!
Yes, Marco? What are you eating, Marco? What's that? Is that gummy balls? Bubble gum. What's that? What are you eating? Sige, let's start first with Marco. Children, eat lang kayo, okay? Marco, what are you eating? Can you share your food to us? Busog ka na? Why did you eat your breakfast kanina? That's why you're full na? Marco? Okay. It's okay if you're full. Marco, don't forget to drink water. Okay. Drink water ka na, Marco, if you're full. Ayan. Okay, thank you, Marco. How about you? Riley, what are you eating? What are you eating, Riley? Yummy. Sarap na. What's the name of that, darling? Can you hold it properly so that I can see it? Okay. It's Para. Ito, Para. Oh, I think that's a Japanese food. And also Yakult. Okay, very good, Riley, for showing that the teacher shared. How about, yes, Riley? Ano po yun? You're full already? Ang bilis naman. Okay, don't forget to drink water, Riley. How about you, Sete? Yes, Noxine?
You know what?
down, sit down, please. What's that, Maxine?
I'm eating apple and juice.
You're eating apple and juice. Okay, what juice? What's the flavor of your juice, darling? Is that an apple juice or a mango juice?
Apple juice.
It's an apple juice. So you're eating apple and then at the same time, your juice is apple as well, Maxine?
Mommy, apple
You're eating
plus
apple. And
water
then your juice
equals
is
apple juice.
Ayan, okay. Thank you so much, Maxine, for sharing your food to us. Okay, how about you, Lily? What are you eating?
What?
You're full na also? Okay, drink water if you're full already, Yuli. Okay? Ayan, you're drinking chocolate. How about you, Seth? Let's go back to Seth. Seth, what are you eating?
Are you drinking?
You're drinking what? What are you eating? What's that? You're on mute. Is it okay if you click the unmute button, Seth?
Are you drinking drink? Machine why? Chucky.
Coffee, you're drinking chocolate. And Popeye? Can I see it?
Papaya.
Oh, ang sarap naman yan. Okay, eat ka na. And then don't forget to drink water after. Okay? Thank you, Seth. Okay. How about you, Ivan? Ivan, what are you eating? Oh, that's yummy. What's that? It's a pan? Is that a pancake?
No.
Eat with chocolate?
A pancake chocolate with sprinkles and marshmallow.
And marshmallow. Ang sarap naman. Okay, how about your drink? What's your drink?
Water.
You're drinking water. Okay, or drink lots of water, Ivan, because you're eating sweets. Yes, Riley.
What?
Yes, love. What's that?
What chopsticks?
You have a chopsticks. Oh, nga, it's cute. It's pink. You got chopsticks. Okay. Ayan. How about you? We're done with the. Okay. How about you, Kali? Kali? What are you eating, love? Hit the unmute button.
Egg.
Egg, and then
Kinder egg.
Kinder egg. Yeah, that's a Kinder.
Gummies.
Gummies.
What do you get? Pancakes.
Pancakes, and
Sweet corn buns.
sweet corn. Very good. Yeah.
Sweet corn buns.
How about your dips? What do you have